Hi, Dr. Williams. I'm calling about Mr. George Davies. I've been working with him on his rehabilitation following his fall. He's made good progress with his gross motor skills, and his balance has improved significantly. However, he's still experiencing considerable difficulty with fine motor tasks, particularly anything involving dexterity in his right hand. He initially attributed it to general weakness post-injury, and we've been focusing on strengthening exercises. However, he mentioned today that he's also noticed a persistent tingling sensation in his right thumb and index finger, which seems to be exacerbated by repetitive movements. This tingling wasn't present in our initial assessments. He also mentioned some mild neck pain radiating down his right arm occasionally, which he thought was just muscular strain from the fall.
Thanks for the update, Mihira. The new symptom of tingling, especially with repetitive movements, and the radiating neck pain are important to note. While the initial weakness post-fall could explain some of the fine motor difficulties, this new sensory symptom, coupled with the neck pain, suggests a possible nerve involvement. The repetitive tasks and therapy might aggravate an underlying issue. The initial fall might have caused more than just musculoskeletal injuries. We need to consider if there's any nerve compression or irritation contributing to his current functional limitations.
That was my concern too, doctor. The pattern of tingling and its exacerbation with specific movements, along with the neck pain, makes me suspect something beyond just deconditioning from the fall.
Mihira, let's talk about your treatment plan in the simplest way. Your care will include medications to help your kidneys work better and keep your blood pressure steady. You may also need to pay attention to what you eat and drink, like choosing foods that are gentler on your kidneys and sometimes limiting fluids so your body doesn't feel swollen or short of breath. If your doctor recommends dialysis, that just means a regular treatment to clean your blood, like your kidneys used to do on their own. Following this plan is really important, but not because anyone wants to control you. It's important because it helps stop your kidneys from getting worse, keeps you feeling less tired and sick, and lowers the chances of going back to the hospital. Think of each small step, taking your medicine, watching your diet, showing up for dialysis, as a way of being kind to yourself. You are not failing because you need these things. You are taking care of yourself so you can feel better, have more energy, and enjoy your life with fewer interruptions from your illness.